vakomana vaya vachibvunza pamusoro pamashoko obuda shitogwa achinzi aiwa Mnangagwa since apo paro secret spy network tokaunda chivenga voya panapa vachitaura mashoko achiti but why did Mnangagwa opt for this insidious approach? Sana bena mashoko abuda nyorwa panapa kutibva subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon timira panapa munhu abuda nyora chiti the answer lies in jigsaw puzzle of ambition, paranoia and fractured loyalists. The president knows that he is unelectable and is quite aware that Zimbabweans would not want him to hang on to power. Unlike Mugabe, was at least had the backing of the CIO and the police, Mnangagwa is isolated with all the security apparatus wanting the back of him. The irony that he is employing an unregulated faction to manage his affairs, in contrast to the well-resourced intelligence agencies at his disposal, illustrates a breakdown of faith in the very structures he once helped establish. More so, ED is going to create for ED affiliates parallel Zambia structures bent on keeping him in office even beyond the constitutional limit. These rigorous operations are suspected to be concentrated in Belvedere, a neighborhood teeming with machinations and plots. As the shadow brigade of spies gather intel on Chiwenga, documenting every interaction, conspiring against his allies and undermining his influence, the vice president stands on precarious grounds. Wongai Manungo's machinations threaten to spiral into violence as old grievances resurface, painting by suspicious between comrades turned rivals. Thomas Kwanbuda panapa unachora chita aiwa mukomana he opted this decision just because he know good aiwa all the people who common intelligence even vakomana with the ZRP anytime they can go against him. Zvasiyana aiwa na RG Mugabe kuti aiwa akanga ane support. But zema fungura any more kulipa mzope chitu kwa chipina comment section medu. Sana subscribe like and turn on the bell icon.